Hey Sakshi.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, shall we start now?
Yes.
Tangram sir?
Yeah. Okay. We'll start first. Let's go with Power BI. So Sakshi, let's start
Just
with
let her introduce. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay. This is Sakshi Pramodamulikar from Orange City, Nagpur. I did my graduation in computer science from Shivaji Science College, Nagpur University. I have experience in various programming languages such as SAP ABAP, SAP BODS, SQL, Power BI. But I have interest in data analyst. That's why to enhancing the skill in to continue to enhancing my skill in data analytics. I'm good at Power BI and SQL, and now I'm pursuing the knowledge in Python. And I have worked on various projects in my previous organization, such as there in that project I have worked on SAP BODS and SAP ABAP, where I do my best and fulfill the client requirement as per they required, and I committed to learning new thing. So I have so I like to explore the new places and grasping the knowledge from a reputed from professional people, and that's all about me.
okay, Sakshi. So Sakshi, how will you rate yourself out of 5 in Power BI?
Out of 5, I give 4.
Okay, 4.
Okay.
Have you worked on Power BI before?
No, actually I did the training, but I'm not work on the particular project in my previous company.
Any dashboard you created?
Yes.
Okay, tell me about that. Means what was the data sources? What was the requirement? What you did? All about that.
Okay. Yes, the data source I have used, that is SQL only. So and CS SQL and CSV file, Excel file, only those I have used in my last dashboard. And actually, what you want to know? Actually, I didn't understand your questions.
Yeah, means I just
What
want
was
to.
the data and what was the purpose of dashboard, right, sir?
Yes.
Okay, so dashboard is a combination of report, right? So I have created 3 to 4 dashboards, and so many reports are there included in that. And there is a 3 view, like report in report view, page level, report level, and visual level, right? So and so much filtering are there, slicing, and also DAX function I have used in my last project, like a date function, uh, like filter function. So date function in that same period last year. Uh, Time intelligent function are called, and also some data modeling are there. So power query, in that power query editor are there. So in that power query editor we have to use the data modeling, like data sorting, data appending, data merging. All those things are we can do it in the power query editor itself.
Okay. So, in which mode did you connected the data? Okay. Before that, how many types of connections we can create? Means what type of connections we can create in Power BI?
Like there are schema, right?
No. Not. I'm not asking about the schema. What are the
Okay.
types of way we can connect to the data? Means there are 3 modes,
Two,
right?
two way, I think, like direct query mode and imported data from the source.
Yeah. And what is the difference between import mode and direct query?
Actually, I got the opportunity to import more, so I didn't get a chance to used a direct query, but I have a knowledge in that. So little bit knowledge I can tell you. So direct query mode, for that we need to write the query for each and every table we need to create from the query, and from for using import mode we can directly connect the data from source to our desktop. Like only we can get the data from the source like SQL and Excel CSV file, and it directly load in your Power BI desktop.
Okay. And what was the size of the data?
Size.
Yeah, means how many rows were there and how many tables were there in your project, basically.
Actually, I didn't count it.
Oh, so you don't know about the row count which was present in the table?
No.
Achha, ठीक. And how many tables?
Tables. Actually, I have worked on 3 projects in my last internship. Right, I did internship from Pune, and there were I work on 3 projects. So 3 project in can I tell you including rows?
No, just tell me about one project.
Okay.
Huh.
Project. So there is three table using 3 table I have created
Okay.
the dashboard. Yes.
So from those 3 tables, how many
Hmm.
were fact tables and how many were dimension tables? First of all, do you know about fact tables and dimension tables?
Yes.
Can you please explain?
Is fact table is the base table, like business data. It's including the fact table, and dimension table. It's a reference of fact tables. Like so, in facts table there is a lots of row. Yes, lots of row, and in dimension table we can reduce it, like for the purpose of our requirement, and it easy to uh, it easy to create a dashboard and DAX function. That's why dimension table are used.
Okay. So do you know about the types of schema present?
Yes, snowflake schema, star schema.
Mhm.
Actually, I didn't recall it right now. But this both of only I can tell you.
Okay.
Starflake schema and snowflake and star is.
Okay. So do you know about the difference between them?
Yes. The star schema is the connection between the fact table and dimension table, and snowflake schema. It's also it also connection between the fact table and dimension table, but indirectly. So like there is a one fact table and direct connect to dimension table. It's called a star schema, but fact table and with direct connected with dimension table, and this dimension table which also connected with another dimension table. It's called star sorry snowflake schema.
Okay. So in Power BI, which schema do we prefer?
Star schema.
Okay. Star schema. So in Power BI, when we connect 2 tables, what connection do we create there? Means between a dimension table and fact table, we create a connection, a relationship, let's say.
Yes.
So what should be the relationship cardinality between them, between a dimension table and
One
fact?
to many,
One
I
to many.
guess.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So let's uh, I have a scenario. Let's say we have 2 fact tables and we
Okay.
want to create a relationship between them. So if we directly create a relationship between those 2 fact tables, what will be the relationship cardinality?
Fact table to fact table.
Yeah. What it will be means 1 to 1, 1 to many. What will be the relationship?
One to many, I think. Actually,
Between two fact tables, I'm saying.
okay, there is no dimension table, that only fact table.
Yeah,
Okay.
only two fact tables.
1 to 1.
We are talking about fact tables here.
Mm,
Okay, so
No,
I will
actually,
tell
I am not
you.
aware about it. Sorry.
Okay, so I will tell you. So fact tables are transactional tables.
Hmm.
So there will be many to many relationship between them.
Minute. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So to create, how will you deal with that many to many relationship? Is there a way we can solve this? Because we cannot have many to many relationship, right?
Mm-hmm.
How can you solve that?
Um, Sorry, sir. I am not recall it this topic, so I need to explore and.
Okay. Okay, so moving on, let's go to the visualization part now.
Okay.
So, do you know what type of charts we have in Power BI?
Yes, there is a so many charts. So in Power BI, like custom chart, pie chart, donut chart, and graph also. There are a ribbon chart.
Mhm. So, if I want to show a trend analysis for, let's say, for total sales for over the period of months or over the period of year, which chart you will prefer?
Can you repeat it again?
Okay, so I want to create a chart showing a trend analysis. Let's
Okay.
say for total sales, I want to show it for a particular year or over the period of months for a particular year. Which chart you will prefer?
Yes. There is a one chart. Actually, I'm not recall the name perfectly, but there is one chart. Actually, I have used this chart in my last project, right? So, there is no
Okay.
ribbon we can't use. There is one chart. Actually, I didn't recall the name. It,
Okay. I will give
yes,
you two options. One is
yes.
bar chart and second is line chart.
Line chart, line chart.
Line chart.
Yes,
Line chart we use for trend analysis.
and yes,
Okay. Uh, okay, let's move ahead then. Do you know about row level security?
yes.
Can you
Row
please
level
explain?
yes. Row level security. Two type of security are there. No, yes, static and dynamic, right?
Hmm.
So in static, uh, uh, we can directly go to the manage role and assign the role to particular people. That is a static. And in dynamic, we need to use user principal function and use what the work to actually user principal function and user kind of and also there is a four role also, I guess. Member, viewer, and contributor, and admin. There is a four role also include in a row level security.
Okay. Okay, Sakshi. Uh, do you have experience with Power BI services?
Services, no, but I have knowledge and I can publish the report in service as well.
Okay. So for the development part, you were involved in the project, right? So
Yes, yes,
who
right. Only
were Who were there to do these sharing things, like once you develop the report, who
Hmm.
were there who shared those reports with the end users?
My colleagues.
Achha.
Actually, there is a two person, and it's a for a developing part, and another team can share the report on Power BI desktop, Power BI service. Sorry.
Okay. Do you know
Actually,
about the
we
Power
actually we
BI
don't have access, right? That's
Achha. Do you know about the Power BI licenses?
yes. I know Premium Pro and one is only there. Premium Pro, both only two I know.
Okay. So we have a schedule refresh option in the Power BI services. How many schedule refreshes one can schedule for pro license?
Mm, No, sir, no idea.
Achha. Okay, that's it from my side from Power BI. Sagar sir, you can continue with Python and all.
Okay, sir. Okay, Sakshi. Then shall we start with SQL or Python?
SQL first.
Okay, fine. So, how will you rate on yourself on SQL on scale
3.5.
of 1 to? Okay, 3.5. So we'll start with basics. Okay.
Okay,
What is a database?
sorry. Database. Okay.
What is it?
It's a
Yeah.
connection. It's a collection of data
Mhm.
and store in the particular location.
Okay.
It's a yes. I called a database.
You should use word organized collection of data, right?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
And what are different types of database?
RDMS and DBMS. No, sorry. RDMS, Relational Database Management System,
Yeah.
and RDMS only. Oh,
Okay. Okay. No worries. So tell me about RDBMS, relational database. What does it mean by relational database?
mm, Relational Database. Just- no, actually, I
Okay.
didn't
Fine. What
got
is SQL?
SQL.
SQL.
A SQL. It's a structured query language. It's a collection of data, and it's a combination of update, retrieve, and delete the data in the particular platform.
It is collection of data or what? You are getting confused.
Yes, yes, I'm getting confused.
No worries. Just don't be nervous. Think about it. See, you
Yes,
are
yes.
saying what is the long form of SQL?
Structured query language. It's an
So,
object-oriented language.
okay.
Yes, and it is used for uh, insert, update, and retrieve the data from database.
Which database? Is it used in graph database? No SQL
No,
database? So, which database is it used for? See, I told the answer of first question, different types of database.
yes, yes.
It is used in relational database, no?
Relational database, yes.
Yeah,
Actually, but
fine. Okay, what are the major types of commands in SQL?
there are three types of command: data definition language, data
Okay.
control language, and data manipulation language. Also, TCLs are there. Transaction control language.
Okay, so there are four, right?
4 is.
Okay. So tell me about difference between delete and truncate.
Delete. Okay. For delete, we can use delete for the delete the row from particular table, right? For
Okay.
that we can use delete, and truncate the at one time when if we want to delete the number of row at one time, so we can use truncate, but structure remains same.
Okay, so you are saying if you want to delete only one rows, we should use delete.
Yes.
And if you want to delete multiple rows,
we
we
can
should
use
use
truncate.
truncate.
Yes.
Delete. We can use delete also, no, for deleting multiple rows. Suppose you use condition delete from table name where ID is greater than 10. So it will remove multiple rows, right?
Sorry. I think multiple column, right? Yes, multiple column.
No.
No.
Okay, fine. So what is transaction control language then?
Transaction control language. It's there is a transaction begin transaction, rollback and commit are included in that in transaction control language.
Yes.
So when if you want to run the block of code at a one time, then we can use the transaction control language, like begin transaction, and at the endpoint we can use commit and rollback, and the block of code we can run at a one time.
Okay. What is the purpose of rollback?
Rollback, it's the data is didn't save permanent. It's only temporary data save in rollback, and commit the permanent code save in commit.
No. What does rollback do then? So you are saying commit will make the changes permanent.
Yes,
That
and
one is
rollback
correct.
didn't. Yes.
So
And
what will rollback do?
Rollback didn't save the changes like permanent. It's a temporary changes.
It will bring us back to the start of transaction, right? It will undo all the changes
Yes, undo
after
all the changes. Yes, undo all the
of
changes.
the
Yes.
undo all the changes. It is important,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mhm.
Okay. So what are different commands in DML?
DML, insert, update, and modify. Sorry, delete. Insert, update,
update,
and
and delete.
delete.
And in DDL,
DDL, create,
hmm,
create, modify, and delete. No, drop.
okay. So what is difference between drop and delete then?
Uh, drop is used for drop the table with the structure also, and delete delete used for the deleting the row, but the structure remains same. If we
Table
yes,
structure is maintained, only rows
maintain.
are deleted.
Yes.
Right. Fine. What are constraints?
Constant. There are four type of constant. Primary key, foreign key, check, null, default. Sorry, five types.
Hello.
Yes.
What are constraints?
There are five types of constraints. Primary
Okay.
key, foreign key, default, check, and not null.
Okay. So what is the primary key?
Primary key, in primary key, ensure that the table have only one primary key,
Okay.
and it's used for the use for the identify the unique number of unique unique number of suppose ID. We have a column, we have a table like a customer table. So in that ID,
Mhm.
customer ID column, in we can apply the primary key. So ID make ID must be unique, right? ID must be unique. So ID can't repeat. So primary key are used there.
Okay, so it ensures that no duplicate values are
No
allowed in
duplicates.
that particular
Yes,
column, right?
yes. And
So what
only
is difference?
one null
Yeah.
will available in a primary key.
Okay. What is
Only
difference
one.
between unique
Yes,
and primary key then?
unique and primary. Okay.
These both are different constraints, right?
Yes.
So
Uh,
what's the difference?
in unique, unique also worked as a primary key, but in unique, there is a no null value are present.
And in primary key, one null value
One null
allowed.
are present. Yes.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Actually, you are telling in reverse order. Okay. In unique, one null value is allowed,
Okay.
and in primary key, no null value
No
is
null
allowed.
value.
Primary key is a
Yes.
combination of unique plus not null. You recall
Okay.
now?
Yes.
So unique means no duplicates allowed, and not null means even null is not allowed in the primary key.
Hmm.
Okay then. So how can you establish relations between different tables? See, I asked about what is a relational database. No, so relational database is a database where data is stored in the format of in tables,
In
in rows
tables,
and
right?
columns, right?
Yes.
And relational means there is a relation exists between different tables, right?
Hmm.
So how can you establish the relations between different tables? Uh, you should know, na? In star schema there is relations
Yes.
between fact table and
Yes,
dimension tables.
there is a
So
four type of relation: one to one,
bef-
one to many,
yeah,
many
yeah.
to one, and many to many.
But how do you establish relation between two tables? Suppose if you import directly data to Power BI, it will deduce the
Hmm.
relationships directly, right?
Yes,
But for but ignore about Power BI. If you want to establish relation between two tables using SQL,
we can use join the two table.
it will establish relation.
It's only connected to table. Hmm. No, I'm not aware about it.
Okay. So what does foreign key do?
Foreign key is a reference of primary key. It like a primary key is a parent table, we can say, and foreign key is a child of primary key.
So then using foreign key, we are establishing relation, right?
Using foreign key. Okay.
Right?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, fine. So how do you filter the rows from a table? Which clause is used for filtering?
Where clause.
Right, where clause. So what is the difference between where and having?
Where clause is used to filtering the row, filtering the row from table. And give me 1 minute, 1 second.
Yeah, sure.
Actually, where clause is used to filtering the data from the table. It's for in row by row.
Mm.
And uh, having clause is also used for filtering, but
Mm.
uh,
Okay, fine. Uh, what is a group by clause?
group by clause, it's used for the used for the group the uh, how can tell you?
Okay, I'll give the example of table and you can write a query on group by.
Okay,
So,
fine.
fine.
Okay, fine.
Suppose there is a table of employees of a college, engineering college, suppose, right? The
Okay.
column is employee ID,
Hmm.
name of employee,
Hmm.
department, and salary. Four columns are there. You can write it on notepad also.
Okay.
Four columns are ID, name, department, and salary.
Hmm.
So, on which column group by can be used in this example?
ID, name, or salary
Department
and
and
salary.
salary. Yeah,
In salary column we can use group by
you can use group by on salary.
salary. Yes, group by. Department also we can use group by
Yeah.
on department also. Yes.
Okay. Write the query for counting the number of employees in each department.
Count for department we have to use a group by, right?
Yeah.
Which table? Customer table.
No. Just now I told no. Employee table, ID,
Okay.
name,
Yes.
department, and salary.
can use subquery here also. Salary in select.
Share your screen.
Yes. Is it visible?
Yeah, it's coming. Wait. Yeah. So is this your query?
Yes.
So
For
can you explain
department and
what is?
salary. Yes, yes.
I just wanted two things: department and number of employees in that department.
Yes.
So
Department and number of employee in that.
employees.
Okay. Department and employee. From employee where salary in salary from salary from employee group by department.
No, it is not correct. See, you don't have to use subquery here. You can write select department, comma count of star from employee and group by department only. Just
Okay, so only count employee and the group by use group by on department, right?
huh.
Okay.
See, your that subquery is correct.
Hmm.
Only you need their department, comma count of star in select. We don't want salary. Na? Did I ask about salary?
No, no. Actually,
So why are you using it in
no.
select?
Okay. Actually, I told you na कि write department and salary in both column we can use the group by, so that's why I write on that way only.
Okay, so can you write the query for a second highest salary?
Yes. Yes. Cursor. Actually, notepad is not working.
Okay, fine. You can stop the sharing.
Hello.
So, hello. Yeah, hello.
Sagar sir, I can hear you. I think Sakshi is not.
I think hers is a
Hello.
network issue.
Actually, I got the notepad is not working or something else is there.
Okay, fine. You
Hello.
can stop the screen sharing now.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Hello.
Hello. Sangram sir, I'm audible to you, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, actually it's running slow, so that's why.
Okay. Check the message.
Actually, it's running slow. Wait a minute. Hello.
Yes, hello.
Hello, sir. Can I join?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Sakshi, please rejoin.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Sakshi, we can hear
Sir,
you.
actually my laptop get stuck, so that's why I have joined in my phone.
Okay, fine. No worries.
Yes.
Okay. So shall we move towards Python now?
Yes.
Okay. So what are the features of Python?
Sir, Python actually I need to prepare. I didn't prepare Python yet.
Okay. No worries.
Yes.
Okay. Do you know
Actually,
about typecasting?
yes, typecasting. I know. For typecasting, we can use the convert data type from one to another. Suppose we have a string, so we need to convert it in int, so we can use the typecasting.
So can Sakshi be converted to integer?
No.
So the data types means value must be compatible, right?
Value must be compared. Yes. So in a string there is some integer value, so we need to compare it on a integer data type. Then we can
Yeah.
use the typecasting.
Yes, right. How many types of their typecasting? Do you recall?
Hmm.
Okay, fine. So what is string data type?
String data type, it is include in colon first, and a string data type is
Colon or quote?
quote. Sorry, quote. Actually, sir,
It is a
Python
collection
has
of characters.
character. Yes, it's collection of character. Called a string.
So I have not prepared Python, right?
Yes, actually, no, I'm not. Actually, I'm focusing on only Python and SQL right now. But from today onwards, I need to prepare the Python as well. So for next time, I'll give the Python.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
So we will do Python next time.
Okay. Yes. That's why. Actually, I told on actually no, I didn't told you, right.
Hmm.
I
No.
thought I messaged you, but I forgot. So that's why.
Okay. No, it's fine.
Yes. For next mock, I'll, give Python as well as.
Sure. Sangram sir, do you want to ask anything?
No, sir. I'm good.
So, shall we give feedback
Yeah, yeah.
or
Let's
start?
start.
You should start.
Okay, I will start with the Power BI, Sakshi.
Okay.
So, when you start with introduction part, it should be
Hmm.
very concise. It should be very
Yeah.
specific. It should be very specific, simple. Keep it simple. Just tell about your name, your graduation details. Tell them about your company. What was your position? What you are
Hmm.
working on right now, and tell
Hmm.
a lot about the one project only.
Okay.
Uh, don't tell them about two or three projects. Tell them about the current project only, and
Okay.
don't tell them that you have not worked on Power BI or any of the tool.
Hmm.
Okay, tell them that you have at least worked on it for let's say 2 years and worked on a different types of project. Tell them about one project only, the, that what was your role in that project, that you developed the files, then whatever you have done. Okay, so this is for the introduction part and project telling. Okay.
Hmm.
And about the uh, technical part, try focusing on the definitions. Okay, कि what is the definition of this, what is star schema, read about it. uh,
You know about them, but you are not able to convey your knowledge,
Right. Right.
right, sir?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
for that you have
Actually,
Yes.
I have.
to read it
Actually,
more, read more.
yes. Actually, sir. Actually, I have a notes, but I didn't get a time so for prepare it because there is a Ganpati function right now. So and a mock is suddenly sir Abhi sir messaged on the group, so I didn't read it. So that's why. But I have notes, and next time I'll prepare it perfectly, and I'll give the best.
Mhm. I shared one PDF in the group. Go through that.
Yes, yes, I know. In Power BI
uh,
session, you'll share.
it
Yes.
has definitions of a lot of definitions in it. Just
Okay.
go through it, means that will help you answer the questions more clearly and more precisely. That will
Okay.
help you. Knowledge wise, you have to go through Power BI again. I have not asked you anything about DAX and all,
Hmm.
because your first part was not impressive, so that's why I didn't go to DAX only. Okay, you have knowledge, but you have to prepare it well once again.
Okay.
Hmm. Yeah, that's it for this one. Sagar sir, you can move.
Yeah, as Sangram sir said, keep your introduction short and crisp, and take a position in a room that light should be in front of you. Okay, the light source means you are sitting on laptop, no? Behind you,
Uh-huh.
I think there was window or something like.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes.
Yeah. So pick your position correctly. And yes, as Sangram sir said, focus on only one project. But you should know that project in detail way. How many rows were there? How many columns were there? How many tables were there? What were the relationships? Okay.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes, fine.
Just don't mention three projects, three projects. You were repeatedly saying that you work on three projects. Okay. Just
Mm-hmm.
prepare
Okay,
any
okay,
one
fine.
in detail. Okay. Interview will give you the option. Explain any one of the project most of the times. Okay. And in
Okay.
SQL, you are good with theory, but you need to focus on definitions. Actually, that's why
Okay.
interviewer don't need book definition. You need to be able to convey your knowledge in a single sentence. Okay, like what is string? It is a collection of characters. It's not like college, but
Mm-hmm.
you should be able to convey clearly, and you need to do practice on SQL. Earlier, you were good in SQL, right? What happened?
Actually, she was good in
Sorry?
Power BI also. She created almost
Actually, I
SQL
told
मध्ये
right.
चांगलं होतं ना
Actually,
तुझं नॉलेज.
हो, नो, मी सांगते मला म्हणजे प्रिपेअर करायला वेळच नाही मिळाला. आता सध्या पायथन सुरू आहे, तर पायथनवरच सध्या रिव्हिजन सुरू आहे. आणि आता सरांनी एकदम अचानक मेसेज टाकला ग्रुपवर, तर मग मी आणि काल प्रोग्राम होता माझ्या घरी गणपतीचा. त्याच्यामुळे मला प्रिपेअर करायला वेळच नाही मिळाला. म्हणजे ऍटलीस्ट
Okay.
वन टाइम जर का आपण रीड केलं ना, बुक माझ्याकडे नोट्स आहे, रीड केलं तर ते थोडंसं डोळ्यासमोरून गेलं की लगेच कळतं. पण मी ते मला वेळच नाही मिळाला त्याच्या म्हणूनच. हां.
ठीक आहे. रिव्हिजन कर थोडं.
हां, हां. हो, हो. नेक्स्ट टाइम
तुझ्याकडून
मी
जास्त
नक्की
अपेक्षा
व्यवस्थित
होत्या.
देते.
काय संग्राम सर?
हो ना.
पूर्ण बॅच
हो
मधून?
सर, मी नेक्स्ट टाइम पक्का नक्की देईन.
आहे आता
हो,
वेळ
हो,
आहे
हो.
तुमच्याकडे लगभग पुढच्या वीक
हो,
मध्ये
हो.
आपण
मी
त्याचा
करते
पुन्हा
नक्की.
घेऊ. डेफिनेशन्स थोड्या जास्त करा, म्हणजे
हो,
कसं
हो.
डेफिनेशन्स एकदम रट्टा नाही मारायच्या आहे, पण कसं आहे तुम्ही जेव्हा बोलता तर तुम्हाला
हं,
मग
हं.
त्या डेफिनेशन्स मधले 2-4
हं, हं.
वर्ड्स जरी आले तरी समोरच्याला कळून जातं.
हं, हं. ठीक आहे ना, मी करते नेक्स्ट टाइम पक्क व्यवस्थित देईल. कारण सध्या वेळच नाही मिळाला मला, मी खरं सांगते ना. तर मी बुक पण नाही ओपन केली. 2 दिवस मी क्लास पण करत नाही सर पायथनची. कारण गणपतीमुळे कसं प्रोग्राम असल्यामुळे मला वेळच नाही मिळत आहे.
पण हे जास्त
ठीक.
इम्पॉर्टंट आहे ना
आणि
साक्षी.
मॉकसाठी मीच बोलली होती रवी सरांना, की मॉक घ्या आणि सरांनी एकदम लगेच घेऊन टाकलं. मलाच वेळ नाही मिळाला मग अभ्यासाला.
नाही ठीक आहे ना, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. करा तुम्ही अभ्यास, होऊन
मी
जाईल.
नेक्स्ट टाइम पक्का करते. हो,
तुझं
हो.
वाटलंच प्रिपरेशन झाल्यावर सांग. स्पेशल घेऊ तुझा वेगळा. पण नीट प्रिपेअर कर जरा.
हो, हो. ठीक आहे ना. हो, हो. मी करते.
चालतंय.
नीट करते मग. ठीक आहे.
ठीक
थँक यू.
ठीक ठीक आहे सागर सर, भेटू उद्या.
हो चल.
बाय बाय
चल
साक्षी.
बाय.